Yeah. Oh, it's getting all sticky.
Come on, Mr. Benjamin, you can do it. You can do it. This is part of your training. Wow. Wow, buddy.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's ready? I think 5 bodies are gonna fit in here.
Actually, 12 would. It's 12 by 7. A person's 6 feet. 12 people would fit.
12? Oh, yeah, it's like Musgrave, honey.
The whole damn family in here.
That's crazy, Benjamin.
Yeah. Oh.